so today's warm-up, unsaturated, saturated, or supersaturated. Alright, so it says, use the graph to determine if the following solutions would be unsaturated, saturated, or supersaturated. Okay, so we're going to use this graph for all of our questions and see what happens. Okay, so I have 10 grams. Go ahead and find this question. I don't know if I shuffled them or not. 10 grams of KClO3 and 100 grams of water at 10 degrees. What are we going to do with 100 grams of water? Mark it out. We don't care about 100 grams of water. That's just there to confuse us. So I'm going to find my point at 10 grams and 10 degrees. Okay? So let me get my graph up here. So this is 10 grams. This is 10 degrees. So they meet right here. And it's talking about KClO3. Okay? That's this pink line here. So where is my dot compared to KClO3? Above it. So what would my answer be? Super saturated. Okay? So unsaturated is below, saturated is on the line, supersaturated is above the line. So since my dot is above that line, my answer is going to be super saturated for this one right here. Super saturated. All right. My next question says 90 grams of KNO3 and 100 grams of water at 60 degrees. We don't care about 100 grams of water. So I'm going to plot a point at 90 grams and 60 degrees. So here's 90 grams. This is 60 degrees. They're going to meet up right here. All right. My line that it's talking about is KNO3. So this blue one here. So where's my dot compared to my line? Unsaturated. Below it. So what's my answer? Unsaturated. Okay, so if my dot is below, it's going to be unsaturated. All right, this next one. I have 60 grams of KCl and 100 grams of water. We're going to mark that out at 70 degrees. So let's make a point at 60 grams, 70 degrees, and we're looking at KCl. 60 grams, 70 degrees, right? Did I? Okay, good. So they are going to meet right here. All right, and it's talking about KCl. So this green line is my KCl line. Where's my dot compared to KCl? Above, so what's my answer? Super saturated. Super saturated. All right, this next one, I have 110 grams of NaNO3. We don't care about 100 grams of water at 45 degrees. So 110 grams, 45 degrees. We're going to do the same thing every time. 110 grams, 45 degrees. 110, 45 is in the middle, right here. Okay, talking about NaNO3. So my dot is on my line. So what's my answer? Saturated. So this next one is going to be saturated. Okay, we got one more. I have 60 grams of NH4Cl and 100 grams of water, don't care, at 70 degrees. So 60 grams, 70 degrees. Let's make our point. 60 grams, 70 degrees. They're going to meet right here for, dang it, I don't remember the line. NH4Cl. Yes, it would be saturated because it is on that line.
What was the one?
Supersaturated. Okay, so that's just a quick review over unsaturated, saturated, and supersaturated on a graph. Okay?